सब्सक्राइब करिए हमारे चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए वीडियो की लेटेस्ट अपडेट पाने के लिए।
Greeting friends, in this video I will tell about how to convert your pen drive to RAM, because nowadays many programs takes lot of memory during operation, which is nightmare for low RAM system. So to avoid this, make your pen drive or USB of large size as a RAM, which will allow your system to handle more operation and tasks. To know this how to do this, so please continue watching this video. I will tell you 6 steps and you will definitely use your pen drive as a RAM. So let's explore it. Hi guys, these are the steps you have to follow them. Please note that USB pen drive as a RAM is available only for Windows Vista, Windows 7 and Windows 8. So step number first is insert your pen drive and format it. Totally format it. Step number 2 is right click on your pen drive and click on its property. You are able to see the screenshot. I just make a right click on pen drive and then click on property. Third step is click on read boost tab and then click on use this device. You are able to see the screenshot. I first make a click on read boost tab and then select the option use this device. Fourth step is choose the maximum space to reserve the system speed. You have to choose the maximum space as much as and then reserve it for system speed. Step number 5 is click on OK and apply it. You have to click first on OK, then have to apply. Okay, then you are able to complete all the steps. Use your pen drive as a RAM. Now you are able to see that your pen drive is totally full, which is indicate that red in color. So this indicates that your pen drive is now work as a RAM. So please share this information among your friends and all the computer students, because this stuff is really help you to make your pen drive as a RAM. Thank you.